Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to remove frequently contacts on WhatsApp. Now, this is something that always occur when you always have a conversation with a particular person or group of people on your WhatsApp. Now, to fix this, the first thing you have to do is to click on the three dots found at the top right corner. Click on the settings icon here. So right here you're going to see chats. Click on it. Scroll to chat history. You can either clear all your chats or you delete. When you just click on delete all chats, if you want to also exit all group, you just click confirm it here, and when you do that, it's going to refresh the app and the algorithm will refresh, so that the particular frequent content you have will be removed. Now the second step is for you to actually delete the particular chat you have with this person. If you had chat with this particular person, you can just click and delete all the chats. Or the third step is you can go out from the app, click steadily on your WhatsApp app, click on app info. So from here, all you have to do is to click on storage and cache. So you clear your cache and also clear your storage. But know that when you clear your storage, you have to relog into your WhatsApp. That way, the algorithm of the contacts you already have will refresh and you will no longer have the particular frequent contact you have. You have to start from afresh. So guys, that is it on how to remove frequent contact on WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow, like, and fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.